ganun. Soft drinks. Para makainom din ako.
Soft drinks na lang.
Oo.
Itago mo na yan dyan, tsaka kasi. Binibigyan ka na magandang ano, gusto guys. Alex naman.
Ano? Sino ba?
Ako na.
Kaya ko nun eh.
Ano na? Bakla.
Naka-ready na ba yung video? Wait lang. Putol. Yeah, putol. Na maglalang ka na. Yung duet. Yung duet.
Good evening to our beloved customers. Welcome to Marty today.
Ano ba yan?
She got the finest name I've ever seen. Oh no, no, she got a man in the sun though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I went from my finger, just listen, play my position like a short star. Make the everything might be hitting in no time. I gotta make this one hit mine. I'm sure cause I never been in touch. You know what I mean? But it's something I can do. I just can't let someone tell me what's it gonna be. She said, you don't know.
Ito na gamitin nyo.
Hello. Walang battery ito? Oo, walang battery.
Ito. Oh, Type C.
Type C?
Oh.
Eh, okay na. May Type C ako eh.
Type C ba to?
Okay.
Pareha. Huwag ka na umarte sa charger, 120 lang. Bibili ka na lang ng charger, 120 lang, kung takin mo. Mas mamahal.
120, sasabog naman yung mahal mo.
Bakit?
Locally.
Bibili ka ng 120 charger.
Okay lang, ito na lang yung nagamit. Okay pa rin natin. Kasi ang laki mo dyan. Ayun. Good evening everyone. Yung duet. Ano ang duet natin?
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 알렉스입니다. 저희는
Together with Raya Diva.
yes,
Your performer
tonight. 사장님 저는 한국말 저는
Ma.
한국말 잘하게.
Hello?
Ma. Ma.
저는
Ma.
가정끼리는 가정.
Hindi nakakaano yan. Puro English yung lahat.
아이고 사장.
English.
근데 또 하나 들어가세요. talaga po.
English yung lahat. Tapos painumin ka niya ng tequila na ang dami-daming mga ano. Oo.
Tapos?
Pero
I worked in Korea 5 years in Chongchong Ando.
lalagyan na ng hot spicy.
Itong katuwid ko, hirap katandem mo. Yung duwit natin, ano bang alam mo? Sige, go. Sarang mo na. Susundan kita na trip mo. Next week, birthday mo na yan. Kailangan practicein mo yung kakatan mo. Go.
Always.
Always by Atlantis Star.
Mamaya malaki mo dyan. Always and love it.
Bon Jovi. Hindi, Atlantis Star kasi. Acoustic yan eh, Andri. Somalia pa yun. Acoustic nila din. Lento. Lubos agad. Ano talaga? Here, go. Hey, hey.
Okay lang. Yeah. Ano pangalan mo?
What's your name?
Casey.
Girl, you are to me all that I want you to be, and I dedicate my life to your way.
I love that you're sweet. It must have been said from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow and forever will be you and me.
You are like the sun,
Chasing on when when you come around, you bring by the day.
you're the perfect one.
Could be and forever will be, and I will love you so for always.
Let's go make a family, and then we will bring us through all the way.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't get enough ways to let you know, but you know you stand me close to always.
And we
both know that our love will grow and forever it'll be you and me.
you're like sun,
Chasing on and run away,
when you come around.
you bring bright days.
You're the perfect one.
Me and forever will be, and I will love you so for always. I will love you so for always. I will love you so
Ano nga? Mali! Magaling ko sa akin. Ayan. Ay, yung Rina, ganito mo laro ka. Ito niya, dita. Am I correct?
Cheers, let's get married.
Yeah, no, ito yung like this.
Get married.
Diego, happy anniversary! Kaya yung tao.
Richard, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Cheers.
Here.
Sonia. Energy. Thumbs up.
Nakita. Oh my God. Actually, it's not great.
Okay, sure. That's good.
Oh,
Brother, anniversary.
anniversary of girl.
Low.
Just to use the little mouth.
So you can ano?
Low.
Yeah. Later, something will give you also 100 again and again. Yeah. Give me.
You long time waiting. We cannot waiting. We cannot waiting.
Delicious. Very delicious. I love. Thank you so much. Ay ka bakla ka? Aray ko. Pinigyan kami ng alat punta. Oo. Di ba? Ganun yun? Oo. Oo. Yes, you say thank you.
Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, di ba?
Yes.
Mamaya,
Meron kang customer na Korean. Ha? Bakla, bakit? Okay yan,
mamaya lalagyan niya ng hot spicy good luck sa
Sabihin
inyo.
ko ako na lang.
Lalagyan ng hot spicy and good luck sa inyo.
Masarap, pero masarap gusto ko.
Hindi.
No, no, no.
Ay! Ay!
O, ikaw daw! Bigla ka
No, 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 no. I'm drunk. Hindi ako nakaset ngayon.
I'm just you saw.
Ito, hello.
Really? Okay.
That's
Rob! Rob!
This is the result of drinking. The other may not see.
Ano? Sir. Drink again.
Ikaw.
Ano?
Para ano?
Oy, sukli niya. Ha?
Ito ba? Bakulang.
So, hinulog pa ako ng sukli. Okay na yan. May bagong bag ka naman. Kaya na yan.
Uy, ba't siya lang? Wala.
Ay! Alex, oh. Bakit daw nawala?
Next week, ito.
Ito, kung ito, yan ba? Yan muna, ito.
Ito. Ano? One more song. Do you know the song Destiny?
Teka lang. Ito ako sa pagkain.
Bahala ka dyan. Gusto mo yung ano? Opa, ganong style.
Sacharin,
What song would you like me to sing?
what is the title of that song? Amore kidayodo na. Focus ta? Okay.
Let's sing. Let's sing and let's party.
Later. Later.
We will drink again later. Oo.
Maaga ka. Dahil maluloko.
Maaga ako malalasing.
Uy, ang tagal ng performance nyo. Ano na yan?
Ito tagang pumindo to.
Aalis na yan.
Bibilis mo, bakla.
Hindi kayo makakarami dyan.
Dadamihan namin. Gabi, na ako.
Good luck sa inyo.
Pa naman ako uminom. Boss, pwede makingi ng baso.
Ako na lang, huwag nyo nang utusan si Rob. Ayan, meron pala.
Yung ano yan? May pag-usap.